Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the heavy duty indoor golf mat from the company PROWITHLIN. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I just like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So it comes with 9 plastic golf tees, various sizes. You've got, it looks like 6 long ones and then 3 short ones in there. Little card of the company. And then the golf mat itself. So it is heavy duty. I mean, look at the plastic on it is pretty thick. It's got some grooves on the bottom, I guess, to help it from sliding. So you've got a fairway and you've got a rough. The fairway is 28 millimeters, and then the rough is 40 millimeters. It is a 17 inch by 12 inch mat. Although I say that, that's what the dimensions say, it looks longer than 12 inches to me. It's got some contact information on there if you've got any problems with it. You can contact the company. Anyway, it's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.